What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Mandragora Whispers of the Witch Tree on your PC. So, for the first step we will need to open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now, the first step is of course open your Google browser, and we need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website. Search for the Steam website on Google and then go there. And then we will search for the Mandragora Whispers of the Witch Tree game. And once you have found it, select it and then scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, there is a free demo available, but we would like to download this full game. And on Steam it is quite expensive, €39.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now we will search for the same game, Mandragora Whispers of the Witch Tree, and then click on search. After that we need to select games on the left side, and then we need to sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done that, then you will find this game which is suitable for PC and can be activated in our country. So this text needs to be marked green. Once you have found one, select it, and after that you are able to purchase this game for just €24.01 instead of the price on Steam of €39.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new Steam account to download this game on your PC. After that, you are able to play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!